Welcome to Hotspots for Women Over 40. I've spoken about how sleep is the core challenge of the menopause transition. Today I want to focus on short-term sleep loss, otherwise known as sleep debt. We've all been there. You wake up, look at the clock and think, oh, today is gonna suck. Whether it was a distracted mind, too much heat, or any of the other midnight interruptions that come with midlife, a poor night's rest can leave us feeling like it's gonna derail our entire day. The good news is that a bad night doesn't necessarily have to result in a bad day. Today, I'm going to tell you how to recover from a rough night's rest, how to stabilize your energy, and how to make choices that help you bounce back rather than spiraling into exhaustion. Finding ways to stay alert is key to a successful day, and while our go-to solution is often caffeine, an increase in the consumption over what you're used to can artificially raise cortisol levels, which make it difficult to rest later and recover. So here are some ways to feel energized without interfering with your recovery. First, stay hydrated throughout the day. Second, choose foods that will help you stay alert. Things like fatty fish, whole grains, greens, nuts, coffee, green tea, and my favorite, dark chocolate. Get some natural light to help support your circadian rhythms and move. It doesn't have to be anything strenuous. Going for a walk outside can help set you up for a much better day. And if none of this is working and you still need a boost, it's okay to take a short nap, short meaning 15 to 20 minutes, so that you don't interfere with your ability to sleep later. Now, even if you're employing all of these different strategies and you feel great, it's still likely that you're not operating at 100%. So if you can, change the structure of your day so that you're moving through multiple, less critical tasks, and postpone anything that requires a lot of focus and concentration. It can take up to 4 full nights of rest to recover from just 1 hour of sleep debt. So you have multiple days to try out these strategies and to practice. Now, if sleep becomes a chronic issue for you, you may have to make more significant changes to your sleep routine. Check out my video, Midlife Sleep Struggles, to get more information on that. Now, go out, make it a great day, and sleep well.